This is A.4 Subtracting Integers. To subtract an integer, you add its opposite. So if I have 3 minus 4, I'm going to change that to adding to be 3 plus negative 4. So that means that on a number line, we are going to start at 3 and move to the left 4 spots. So that's negative 1. So let's find the difference here. Negative 3 minus 7, we change to a negative 3 plus negative 7. Now we are adding and they have the same sign, so we're going to add their absolute values, and the answer has the sign of the original 2 here. So it's negative 10. Negative 6 minus negative 5, we change that to adding. So the opposite of negative 5 is positive 5. So 6 plus 5 is 11. If we have negative 2 minus 9, that's negative 2 plus negative 9. Those have the same sign, so you add their absolute value and put the negative back on at the end. A negative 1 minus negative 4 is a negative 1 plus 4. These have different signs, so we take our larger and we do 4 minus 1, which is 3. And our answer has the sign of the larger absolute value. So the answer is positive 3. 8 minus 3 is going to be 8 plus negative 3, which is 5. 3 minus 3 is 3 plus negative 3. Those are the same sign, so you add their absolute values. So you get 6, and we add the negative from both of their signs on at the end. We have 9 minus 17, which is 9 plus negative 17. Different signs, so we subtract, and our answer has the sign of the larger absolute value. If we have 3 minus negative 3, that is negative 3 plus 3, these are additive inverses, so our answer is 0. So which continent has the greater range of elevations? We're given a little table here that has the highest elevation for North America and Africa, and the lowest elevation for North America and Africa. So to find the range, we're finding the difference in highest point to lowest point. So for North America, we take the highest point and subtract the lowest point. So instead of subtracting, we're going to change that to addition and adding the opposite here. So we get 6,284 meters. For Africa, we are also going to subtract. So we add them, and so we get 5,895 plus 155 is 6,050. So between 6,200 and 6,000, which one's greater? That's North America. So North America has the greater range in elevations.